Yeah.
You left the door open.
Okay. Haven't put enough in there.
Either that or we can have margaritas. Totally. Or Alka-Seltzer. Is that funny? I'll look away and it'll happen. Don't stop looking. The problem is, if nothing happens, we're screwed because...
One of us is going to go in and open it.
Yeah. What do you mean one of us? You're the dude with the gloves. Oh my gosh, I can't help what's thrown at your face. I'll go.
No.
I have to get work.
Here we go.
Oh! Oh shit. Oh shit.
They can hear the bottle starting
Okay,
there.
Oh, my hands are shaking trying to keep still. Oh God.
Oh my god, it's getting really fat.
I knew I should have put more in there.
Why is it getting so fat?
Because it's going to explode.
Erupt,
The
goddamn
gases
you.
are in there.
Are we safe?
Yeah. Maybe. I think so.
Who told you about this trip?
Mythbusters. Look at it.
Oh, Jesus Christ, it's like a volcano. If I captured that,
I don't.
it's in my throat.
Is everybody okay?
Oh, my ears are ringing.
Actually, my ears are
Can I
totally
just have a
ringing
quick hug?
too.
Oh my God, I thought we were gonna die.
I can't tell if I can hear anymore.
Oh my God.
Sorry, I wasn't thinking it was going to be that. That's what we have left.